Okay, first thing you got to do when you're starting to vacuum, make sure you switch it to the floor. Nothing worse than vacuuming a whole room and realizing that it's like, oops, I didn't vacuum anything. So find out which way that pile's laying. There's the best way right there. Second best, that's laying it down, that's laying it down. So you want to vacuum in this direction or this direction. So when you pull that back up, you can see it. And your power stroke is forward. Until you can get, so you work off to the one side. The edging side to the clear track is the right side. And then you start going in the right direction first, and then you don't have to do it 4 ways. You only have to vacuum it once. So you work your way into a corner. And then you vacuum your way out of the corner. And from the looks of it, I would say I'm lifting more pile this way. There's some fine dust coming in there. Thinking about the video showing that Royal vacuum vibrating the carpet. No, this one's not vibrating much. Not outside of its vacuum zone anyway. You know, if this vacuum weighed 20 pounds more, maybe it would. There's that fine stuff coming in. Watching the canister, not the floor. And what I do is I've got a few pieces over here like that, and you just watch for it to come in. Little vacuum test. And just work your way across the floor. Just watching for soil. The next pass should be a little more interesting. So I can move a little faster here because I'm not seeing a lot come out. see what we got here. Main traffic area. There's a little bit more. Right there. A little bit of a higher pitch going on. So take a piece of paper. Vacuum's fine. See the paper come in. It's not too bad. Surprising. That's the thing. I know there's not that much here. If I painted this canister black, I'd have this room vacuumed by now. That darker layer came from here, this side. The lighter layer came over here. Gee, segregation. The blacks are over here, the whites are over here. Oh, sorry. Couldn't help myself. It's actually a line from another guy who's talking about blacks and whites. Anyway, the thing is, the amount of dirt doesn't matter. The fact is, I know I got what I got. You know, it's not the amount, it's not the weight, but I know within a reasonable probability that I got about as much as I'm going to get significantly out of this carpet. I don't have to worry about weight. I don't have to worry about anything else. I don't have to guess. So that's the reason I use it. You know? When I vacuum this carpet, I don't have to worry that I left any spots of dirt. So there you go. 10 minutes of watching vacuuming. Life sucks. So does a vacuum. Get happy.ca